Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about a new software, that is RISAFLOOR. So let me start RISAFLOOR. So this is the RISAFLOOR, as well as this is the Risa 3D software. So I have already taught in details about the Risa 3D software. So let me start today with RISAFLOOR. So I will be using the demo version, and in this demo version you will be not able to use this functions. So let me open. So in this after opening this, you will be able to open a sample model, such as those models which are being already created in the RISAFLOOR, such as, let me start with this one is the sample model. In this sample model, as you can see here, this model is being created. So this is a sample model. You can also even check the model option here by simply going to this option, that is this one is the full model. So in the similar manner I will be creating the model in the RISAFLOOR. So let me start with a new floor, that is start a new model. After clicking it here, you will be able to see the same menu as I have shown before. I have clicked here for opening a sample model. For tutorial you can go to this portion. So I will be clicking it here for creating a new model. So let me create here for the new model. This is the floor plan 1. What kind of floor I will be creating, whether the beam supported or the simple flat roof. So I will be creating the beam supported floor. Then after that, what will be the elevation of the floor 1? Let me keep the elevation as 3.5 meter. Then all this keep it as default. Now you have to click on simple. Okay, after clicking it here, as you can see here, this one is the coordinate system present here. Then the origin will be at z-axis 0 and y-axis 0. Now you can in the similar way as that of the Risa 3D, you can create here. Suppose I will be creating 15 grids or 10 grids at the rate of 10 meter. Similarly here I can create 10 grids at the rate of 6 meter or 8 meter. After that, as you can see here, the level starts from A in the Z direction, and in the X direction you can click in the start from 1. You can even start from any kind of letter. You can write as start from Z or 1 or 4, something, anything you can write here. So I have written here, by default it is written here as letter, here written as digit. So click on apply. After clicking on apply, this grid system will be available here. In the Z axis the distance is 10, in the X axis distance is 8. So this one is 8, 8, 8, whereas here it is 10. So now let me as I have created the grids, after that I can switch off the grid by going it here. This one is the show project grid. You can switch it off and switch it on by clicking in this A later. After that I will show you the properties of the full RISAFLOOR one by one. So let me go to this model display option. If you click it in this option, then it will show you the various kind of lines. That is if I will be joining some like point to point or node to node, it will show you in the form of a line. If I will click it here, it will show in the form of a rendered view. Then color basis is gravity, both the gravity and the lateral loads. I will keep it as the line thickness. I can increase or decrease. I can show the beam levels from here. That is, if I want to show the level, I can show the level, beam levels, column levels and wall levels. After that you can click in this point and you can show the edge intersection point. So this one is actually for the diaphragms or for the slabs. After that, this one is for the load. Then this is for the miscellaneous options, and this one is for the deflection. So in this manner you can change the model options even you can right click it and you can simply go to the recall last dialog box, the first option. Here also it will show you the model option, model display option, because this one is the last dialog box I have just now clicked. So in this manner you can open. After that you can go to the file option. After going to the file option, the options are new. You can create new file, you can open one previous file, saved file, then backup it, save as, import, export, print, everything you can do here in this file option. Now you can go to the edit option. You can do undo, redo, copy, paste, insert line, delete line, repeat lines, mark all lines. After that along with this you can find out any member, you can sort out the members. After that you can go to the settings point, and as you can see here in this portion you can write down the model title, company name, and all these things you can save here. Along with that, the solutions, how much will be the tolerance level, like for meshing and all these things, you can set here the tolerance levels. Then you can go to this tab and you can set the IS codes or Indian standards codes or any kind of country codes, which you can set it from here directly. The various codes for steel connections, then various kind of steels, concrete, wood, masonry, you can like set the code values from this portion. After that you can change the properties of the composite members, then wind load, seismic load, concrete rebar code. So all these things you can set from this portion by going to the settings. And after that next you can go to the view portion, and you can like check for the plan view, save or recall view, clone view, select, unselect, then model display options, render view, drawing grids, project grids, access, loads, point levels, beam levels. Then after that you can insert the drawing grid, snap points. Drawing grids, if you click, the same menu will appear. This one is the project grid and this one is the drawing grid. You can even draw above this project grid the drawing grids. Then you can even import the DXF file, that is AutoCAD file. You can import from this option by simply browsing for file. Then snap option. Similarly you can go to the snap points in the same manner. After that you can go to the floor, then point, then columns, then beams, then walls, then diaphragm, then wood diaphragm, then various loads. Then you can modify all the same things as from this tab. Then spreadsheets, I will show you in details about the spreadsheets. After any kind of drawing is being created, you can edit the spreadsheet, then you can solve the design, then you can check for the results, then you can go to the tool and you can attach along with the Risa 3D. The same thing can be even imported to the Risa 3D, and the same analysis can be done as well in Risa 3D. Actually the advantage of using RISAFLOOR is, in the RISAFLOOR you can create the building in a very fast manner, that is modeling can be done in a very easy way. So that one is the only reason for using the RISAFLOOR. Then in new window you can see here, see most of the tabs and the menus are same as that of the Risa 3D. Only some things are different, which I will show you. So these are the various menus I have shown here. After that you can click here for the new menu, then start, then open a new model. This one is save and create a new model. This one is open a saved model. Then this one is you can save it. Then after that this one you can copy to the clipboard, print option, do, undo, redo. Then this one is the global model settings. You can click it here and you can check for the code books as well as I have shown here in the settings. The same thing After that, the next one is the dimensions. You can click it here and you can set for the dimensions such as meter, feet, inches, millimeter. All these dimensions you can set here, or you can simply click in the standard empirical, because here it is present all are standard metric. So if you will click in the standard empirical, all will get changed. Or even you can click it here and click OK. I will press cancel here, because by default all are my metric units. Now you can, after that you can edit the shape database, like what kind of like columns or what kind of beams I want to use here. Those you can set from this portion by going to this edit database option. Here it is the rebar layers, like at the bottom how many number of bars is required, at the top how many numbers of bars are required. So for this one is for the reinforcing detailing. Then this one is for the project grid spreadsheet. Okay, you can even create above this grid lines, another grid lines. After that you can click it here and you can like edit the wall openings, wall panels. You can edit here, or you can create the doors and windows by going it here. After the creation of the wall panels, I will show you in details about this portion also, that is how to use this one. Then create a new floor. You can click it here and you can copy the new floor. The same option which I am clicking it here, this can be available by going it here also, the same thing. After going it here, if you click it here and right click it and create new floor, the same menu will arise. So these are the two same options. Then this one is for deleting the floor, this one is for creating a new model view. Then spreadsheet select, then refresh all open. Then this one is the load combination spreadsheet. This one is solve or perform the analysis and design calculations. Then perform the, this one is for the connection design, like bolted connections, riveted connections. Then this one is for erase the all solution result. The if after solving the model I can erase everything, then you can turn the spreadsheet shortcut window off or on, then result shortcut off or on. After that you can select from here the model view, that is the 3D view. Then first floor plan, second floor plan. You can even take the screenshot. You can go to the isometric view, plan view. You can also rotate the X, Y and Z, zoom in, zoom out, pan. Or if you want to zoom any option, you can simply draw the drag box, then redraw the, if you want to zoom the full model, you can simply click in this suppose I am zooming it here. If you click it here, the full model will arise. After that you can edit this menu by simply, you can turn off and on this menu by clicking it here. If you click it, the menu goes off. If you again click it here, the menu arises. This menu is very important for drawing the structure, such as for beams, columns, slabs and all these things are present in this menu. Then after that, this one is snap on and snap off. Then after that, this one is for the load switching. Then after that, this one is the render view. Then this one is for showing the node levels. Suppose I have created something, in order to show the node number, I can click it here, double click, I can do it. This one is for showing the beam membership, and this one is for showing the end options. Then this one is for the wall properties. This one is for the deck assignments or the slab assignments. And this one is similar way, it like this one is for the area loads. Then this one is switched off or switched on the grades, distance tool, area load query, design strip rebar. This one is the strip rebars. You can draw here the strip rebars from this portion. Then this one is the design strip in the vertical directions. Then this one is the design strip diagram. Okay, so in this manner you can draw everything in RISAFLOOR. So in my next lecture I will be telling in details about how to draw a figure in RISAFLOOR along with the grid lines which are present here. So from the very basic level to the advanced level, I will show you in details about RISAFLOOR. So if there is any kind of doubt in these properties of the RISAFLOOR, then you can ask me in the comment section. And anyways, I will be teaching all the properties in my project in my project creation time in a very detailed manner. So thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.